Hey, Dwight Cliff here with Cliff and Cliff at one of our projects over here. Going to show you how to brace up a porch roof to replace the porch slab, concrete porch slab. Here we go.
All right, so we haven't jacked anything up yet. We got we got 4 posts. This is loose right here. We haven't cut that. We just actually cut it to size. But so what's the first step here?
So we got to cut the size. We want to kind of like get just a pre-cut that I want to put on this board here so I can get it in place. Then all I did is just put my adjustable square on it to give me a square corner to cut a mount to put this on. So I put it up here to stay in place, won't fall off. So that's what we just got through doing now. So we're going to cut this out.
So it's like bird mouth almost.
Bird mouth, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
What tool is that you said you use? Adjustable square?
I use my adjustable square, which is here.
Okay. It shows what you did exactly with it.
So when
here, I'll hold this.
Put it up here. We got the angle here.
Okay.
I just took and put my square up here, lined up straight with the house here. And drew my line so I can put it where I wanted it at.
Okay.
So that's what we're gonna go with.
So you about to do that right now? Yep. Okay, let's do it. All right, so we made a slight adjustment. Instead of putting it there, because we know we got to form that concrete up over there, and we should have a little bit more clearance over here. So what did you do to even make sure it was straight? We didn't have our jack with us too, so we kind of improvised the jack. Threw a 2x6 in there a little bit taller than the porch and slammed it in there. And now, to make it straight, Dad, what you got there?
This is a framing square. Gonna give you a straight corner, L corner. When you put it against just 2 different surfaces, you'll form a corner, and that's what we got right there. Okay.
Yep. And then we cut a 2x4 to a point here as a stake to keep it from moving. So it should be in there pretty tight. We're gonna see, because we're about to pull them these supports out next when we're all done. All right. What we got next?
We're gonna tap this out, back this back out,
all right,
and put the pressure on and see what we got.
All right.
See if everything's holding. So it's 15 at the tip. 15. That's what we want. And then
so that side is gone. It's gone. She gone.
that's what we want, y'all.
They drive down the wrong way.
They tripping. Hey Gary, are you there?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. So what you want to talk about? Just what we did here?
Yeah.
Okay. Ready now?
Yeah.
All right, so had to answer that phone call. But this is Dwight Cliff with Cliff and Cliff. And here, so we put a couple of 2x6s here on side, bird mouth them, cut them, put a couple of screws into it to mount to our porch header, and then put a stiff back on the back here, just halfway, just some extra support. The 2x6 is strong enough, but me being who I am, I decided to put that 1x6, a 2x6 on the back, make it a stiff back so it won't bend or bow and hold the weight on both sides. And we should be good to remove our concrete now. And that's just a brief description of what we did today.
All right. Dwight Cliff here with Cliff and Cliff, Cliff Construction. We're out.
Out.